1/3 of all men don't wash their hands after using the bathroom, just like this guy. I'm here to put an end to that. That's me right there. They call me Sneezeguard, the Germinator. What is it that makes a superhero? The pink crinkly hat, a little mermaid bib, perhaps the rubber gloves for smooth strangling, a cup for courage, or long johns just for fun? Well, I'm here to tell you my story. I was a tough little kid, not afraid of punk-faced bullies or even big scary monsters under my bed. And I loved anything that would be considered dangerous, or just plain stupid. But I did have one weakness: germs. It was so bad that if someone coughed half a block away, I felt it instantly. So I developed a state-of-the-art superhuman suit to protect me from the germs, and dedicated my life to destroy them forever. I used to date a nose picker until my grandma found out.
I told you to stay away from that girl. She's nothing but trouble. I told you time and time again.
So I gave her a taste of her own medicine, and she loved it. Of course, not everyone was pleased with my work.
This guy, have you heard about the Sneezeguard guy?
I haven't.
He's going around, he's curing all the infections. He's wiping out all the germs.
I can't
There's no
believe that.
infection
That's
anywhere around.
impossible.
Have you seen what has happened to the numbers?
That is impossible.
Have you seen the numbers?
No.
I'm going broke. I know what to do. I know the guy to call. Let me make a call.
Okay, I got it.
Hearing there was a new super German town, I rushed to the scene for our epic battle.
That's right, I Germany.
You're from Germany?
No, you dumb idiot. Do I sound like I'm from Germany?
Right there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Gesundheit. Having vanquished my foe, Germany, I was once again beloved by all. And even became acquainted with Germany's homely half-sister, Fanny Pack.
That is one ugly chick.
Yeah, she sure is ugly, but boy can she sing.
Maybe it's true, I can't live without you. And maybe two is better than one. There's so much time to figure out the rest of my life, and you've already got me coming undone.
One motion.
Go.
Ow! Good one.